Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about the amplitude of a sinusoidal function from an equation. So to get that, again, I'm going to draw the graph so we can talk about how this would work. So the graph of a normal sine function is going to look something like this. And then say I change the amplitude to 2. So in just your basic sine function, the amplitude is going to be 1. So say I changed it to 2. Then my graph would look like this. The zeros would be in exactly the same place. In other words, it crosses the x-axis in exactly the same place. It's just that these maximums and minimums are now twice as high or low. So really what we've done is we've stretched the graph. So do you remember what transformation stretches your graph? Hopefully you remember that that's when you multiply something in front of the equation, that's going to stretch it. So we had, for example, radical functions that looked like this, and then when you multiplied something in front, it looked something like this. So it got pulled up, it got stretched. So it's kind of the same idea. We're stretching it. So that's when you multiply something in front of the function. So this function, the second one that I drew, would be f of x equals 2 sine x, because I made this twice as high. Instead of being maximum of 1, it now has a maximum of 2. So hopefully you'll see from this that it's this number in front of the sine function that tells us what our amplitude is. So this number in front is going to be the amplitude. So last video we learned that this number is the midline. So this would have a midline of 6. And this would have an amplitude of 7. So 7 is in fact the amplitude, and that's always going to be the case. Whatever's in front here is going to be our amplitude. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.